Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel that begins now. Today I'm going to make another Python video on how to make a simple screen to like a base of your game. In Select new Python project, new Python file. So notice I didn't do new file, I did Python file. And name it whatever you want. Right now I want to name it this. And what you want to do first is import pygame, because of course we're doing pygame. Now if it has like a red thing under it, red squiggly line, just click it and there should be this thing, and it'll be like, and one of them will say import pygame package or something, and you can import it. And then what we want to do now is, okay, then what you want to do is pygame dot init. Yep. And this is basically the thing that makes it work, basically, like, yeah. And then what we want to do is display. How do you spell display? Display, is that how you spell it? Oh yeah. And then we want to make a variable pygame dot display dot set mode, and then that, and then do double, and then what you I'm pretty sure this is the color. I'm pretty sure. So
a few moments later.
So then what we want to do is pygame dot quit to like quit it. Then we can make a while true while true pygame dot display dot update, because you want it to update all the time. I don't know why this is, oh I forgot to put the G. Yeah, that basically updates it, refreshes it, update, so you can easily make changes. You don't have to manually do it. And then next we wanna make we wanna change the FPS of the update thing, so lower the FPS of it refreshing all the time. Okay, and what we want to do now is under here we want to make a variable called clock equals pygame dot clock dot, no, I think time dot clock. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Notice this has a but I can't even select it. This has a capital C while this doesn't, because this is a function. Well, what are these called? I think these are called keywords or something. Pretty sure. And then what we want to do is, yep, clock dot tick FPS. And this has a red line, squiggly line under it, error, because we haven't defined it, like we haven't said what we're doing with it, so it doesn't know what to do with it. And this clock thing is this, so you can see it highlights it. Then we can enter FPS, and then you can put it any number you want the FPS to be. So 55, 60, 50, I don't know, 55, I don't know, maybe 50 will work. So then what we want to do is, for event in pygame dot event dot get, if event dot type equals pygame dot quit, and now that we have to make this work, we need to make this quit properly. We need to make it into a function. So def display that, and then that. Oopsies, like that, and then press tab. Oh my god. like that. So select everything, then press tab, and then, so it doesn't make sense right now because it says for event in pygame dot event get it, and then it goes down here because of this and this. If event dot type equals pygame dot quit, and then it says nothing. It just says this, but this is not in it. So then we have to press return. We have to do return. Let me indent it. It looks cleaner like that. Okay, never mind. It makes it bad. It makes an error. You have to keep it here. And now you may be asking, why don't we use break? It's because then it will break out of this for loop, not this for loop, while loop. So yeah, return. Good. If we make a function, we need to keep it there, or else it won't work. As you can see, look, boom, it just disappears. So what's it called? Display. The display. I'm just checking if there's any typo. Okay, yeah. And look, you have the pygame window. Let's go. And yep, that should do it. Subscribe, like, and hit that bell, and I'll see you in the next one.